A life-size statue of Khasi freedom fighter Tirot Singh will be unveiled at the Indira Gandhi Cultural Centre in Dhaka on February 16th by the state government. Arts and Culture Minister Paul Lyngdoh informed reporters after the cabinet meeting yesterday. He further said the Meghalaya government has been talking to the High Commission of Bangladesh. A delegation led by Deputy Chief Minister Dhar, along with the Arts and Culture Minister, will visit the capital of Bangladesh to attend the function. Lyngdoh also informed that the statue and the bust of Tirot Singh have been designed by renowned artist of the state, Raphael Wargery.
The statue and the bust have been designed by Raphael Wargery, and after a couple of PowerPoint presentations, including the visuals, this was approved by the Department of Arts and Culture, and as indicated, on the 16th, a high-level team led by Deputy CM, Mr. Dhar, will be part of the unveiling program, or the unveiling of the statue and the bust at Dhaka.
The two-day Tisam Winter Festival commenced with vibrant